This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Nobody moves! It's a robbery! Give me your purse, lady! But what? How? How can we make a movie about stealing a purse if Barbie doesn't even have it?
Yeah, we didn't think that through. Let's change the script a bit then. This paperclip really looks like a bag to me because of its shape. We will just carefully remove these pieces and then add some pretty fabric. Nobody will ever guess it's an ordinary paperclip. Now we'll fix it on the sides and voila! A stylish purse is ready. We can proceed.
Now listen, I'll grab your purse and run and manicure.
And what is wrong with my manicure?
Not yours. Look at Barbie's nails. I cannot work like that. I am working like crazy 24/7 and no one ever gives me credit for that. Enough. I am leaving. I'll rest a bit and then leave.
Barbie, sit here and let's hurry up to cheer Sammy. The best doll manicure master is ready to create. Let's remove the extra length and give those nails some nice shade. Here is the favorite color of our slime director. It looks good on you.
Now we're talking. Everyone take your positions. Lights, camera, action. Ooh, you, stop right there. Give me your purse and your money. Self-defense lessons were not in the script.
Friends, today we'll make a lot of cool doll crafts. Stay tuned! Barbie's waiting for her morning newspaper.
Press! These shoes were a bad choice. Sorry, we don't do hand-to-hand delivery. I can help for a couple of bucks, though.
I have a better idea. It's time to make her rubber boots. We'll need a regular balloon and some hot glue.
A lot of hot glue, actually.
A short, stylish heel looks great even on rubber boots. Let's add some brightness to make it more fun, even at rainy days. And some shiny glitter, of course. What a brilliant idea. And this is how Barbie gets a new pair of rubber boots. Now it's time to test them in real-life conditions. Our Barbie is not afraid of puddles and dirt anymore. But the newspaper is totally ruined. How should she read the horoscope now?
Learn about your future here, my dear. The prediction will come true, I guarantee. Rub my belly and I'll tell you your fortune right away. I see you're not so much invested in that, huh? Ouch! Now we're talking. Let's do it. I see. You will soak in the rain. I said soak in the rain. See?
That forecast really came true. But don't worry. I can tell fortune too. I guarantee you a new umbrella, and it will be bright. We will add a sturdy handle, and even when it rains, Barbie will see rainbow. I guess it came out really good. Give us a thumbs up if you agree.
Not bad. Thanks to my fortune-telling talent.
Or thanks to your tricks with water sprinkler.
Don't go anywhere. I predict a lot of fun coming right up. Attention, dear summer lovers. Soon we'll start our swimming suit contest. The winner takes the grand prize. Come closer to the stage.
Poor Barbie. You forgot your bikini at home.
Well, I think we can fix that. Let's make a stylish and bright two-piece swimming suit out of a balloon.
Just a couple of neat cuts and the briefs are ready. It is very easy.
The second part of the balloon will come in handy too. Let me just trim it a bit. And the decor piece is ready. Now the bottom part matches the top. Great!
And the winner is Barbie! You have a very creative mind, girl. Come here and take your prize. What is that? A new dance style? Ooh, hut. That's better.
I'll help you. I already know what to do. Check this out. Now we'll take a plastic straw, and in a couple of seconds, cool flip-flops are ready. Let's try them on. Perfect. Now go get your prize, girlfriend.
What a beauty! I mean the boat. Hey, you, with the camera, take my picture, Barbie. Move. I forgot the sand is hot. Help me. And that's how you navigate. Now show me what you learned. Slow down. No.
The boat crashed. Hail Tibidaba, there was a pop tube on board. This bright pink really looks like a flamingo, doesn't it? It just needs a couple of details to look even better. Let's just glue everything together. And we've got such a cute floaty. Barbie, enjoy!
And slimes are naturally great swimmers. Huh? It's a wave.
Oh my feta, Barbie, are you okay? Is this a desert island?
Not so desert. Check out that pile of garbage. Don't worry, I'll call the Coast Guard. What? Let's just wait until someone swims by.
But we can do that in comfort. Barbie, follow me.
We'll take a plastic straw.
And add a few more to it.
The hot glue will help to secure everything. It's good that the straws can do this. To make it stable, we'll add a couple of legs and armrests, and a lounge chair is ready. This way, Barbie will see the approaching boats and even out her tan.
I hear something. It's the Coast Guard. Ugh, there must be the reporters. What if they'll take pictures? So, how do I look?
Oh, Sam! Barbie is blinded by the sun because of your mirror. Let's make her a pair of sunglasses. All we need is a plastic cup and a marker. Now cut the shape and get the sunglasses. We even sparkled them up to make them look fancy. Barbie confirms it's the lifeguards. Hail Tibidaba, someone is going to save Barbie and Sam. Hey, we're here, right here. Help, save us, please.
Oh, hey, I'm here. Can you see me? Save me first.
After the lucky escape, our heroes threw a party. Sam was entertaining the guests.
What's the difference between a slime and a snail? If a slime puts on a shell, it will be sucked in. That crowd has no sense of humor, even a doll one. Here's another joke. Wait, what's going on? Hey, stop!
The guests are really bored. We need some cool music, and we better make it loud. A simple breakfast cereal box can be transformed into a DJ booth and 2 speakers. We just need to add some details. We'll take the bottom from a can. It will serve as a membrane for the speaker. A glowing-in-the-dark ring goes right here. Next, we need a button. It already looks cool, right? But we're not done yet. A few colorful lights will make it bright. Barbie is a high-class DJ, but she can't find her earphones. Oh no, what shall we do?
I am the greatest magician of all times, Sam the Magnificent! Now this chair will turn into a carriage! Abracadabra! Something went wrong. Please don't be angry. I didn't mean it.
It looks like your magic doesn't work today, Sammy. Barbie can't turn the poppet back to the chair, but we can use it to make new earphones for her. First goes a bit of shiny glitter, and then some colorful hot glue. You'd better be careful with it. The ring from a plastic bottle will come in handy too. All right, DJ Barbie, now it's your time to shine. Finally, this party's getting its groove.
If things go wrong, turn the music on. But I like when it's even louder. Let's turn it up.
And I'm here to help you find treasure.
That'd be very good. The pirates are all very cross. It's getting a bit ugly down there.
Everyone in a bad mood, are they?
No, they're all just ugly. And yes, they're all in a bad mood too.
Oh dear.
Oh no, I'm feeling a bit...
Oh, what's wrong with him?
That's another thing we're all feeling in a bad mood about. Everyone's feeling a bit sick, and we haven't had a drink. And if we don't have a drink, we can't do any work.
Oh no. If we don't get these pirates and drinking water soon, we'll be stuck here. What are we going to do? Hold on. I remember to you. Pirates used to store their drinking water in barrels, so they had enough for long journeys. We need to find your barrels of water.
But we don't have any.
Well, we need to find some then.
What, out here in the middle of nowhere? Surrounded by nothing but ocean. Except for that ship I've just seen.
What other ship?
That one.
Oh yes, a ship. Maybe they'll have some water we can have. I'm going to see the captain. Captain, exciting news. I've seen a ship.
That's right, we're standing in it.
No, I mean another ship. It's just over there. It looks deserted. And we need to go on board and see if we can find some water for the crew.
Great idea. Off you go then.
What, me? But it looks scary and dark. Why aren't you coming?
I'm Captain Nasty, not Captain Silly. Now go on, off you go. Up the stairs. That's right, keep going. Thirsty work being a captain.
Let's play.
Phew, we're on board. On board this scary, deserted, abandoned ship. What's that noise? That's snoring. Sounds like it's coming from down below. Come on. I'm sure the snoring's coming from somewhere over here.
Who are you?
I'm Rebecca.
Oh, where'd you come from?
From our ship. We're parked up next door. Or whatever you meant to say if you're a sailor.
Oh, well, nice to meet you, Rebecca. I'm Pirate Wealth.
Oh, you don't look very much like a pirate. Where's your funny hat and your eye patch?
Oh, where's my day off? I better wake the crew.
What crew? There's no one else here.
What? Where have they all gone? Let me see. You're right. There's no one here. They must have all left when I was asleep. We were looking for some treasure. And then the wheel got jammed.
Oh, you're right. It won't move.
Yeah, we've been going round and round for weeks. Going round and round makes you really sleepy. In fact, good night.
Wait, I've come to ask a favour.
Yeah? What's that?
Well, our crew are very thirsty, and we need some barrels of water.
Okay. Maybe I can give you some. What's in it for me?
I'll fix your wheel for you.
Oh, okay, deal.
Right. No good. Oh, look, it's rusty. We need something to loosen this up. But what can we use? Hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? Yes. The oil. This should do the trick. Oh, yes! Wilf! Wilf!
Oh, starfish and barnacles, hello? Hello?
Your wheel, it's fixed.
Is it? Brilliant!
So, can we have our barrels of water now, please?
Of course you can. Oh, but here, you can have this.
A telescope?
You can use that to look for your treasure island.
Oh, brilliant!
And we can set sail again.
Hurrah!
Let's play.
Goodbye, Rebecca.
Bye, Will!
So, Rebecca and me hearty, what be happening?
Well, what be happening, Captain Nasty, is that the men have opened the barrels of water I found them and had a nice long drink.
I know, I've just been below deck.
Oh, they must be really happy now.
They're as miserable as a mouse with no cheese.
But why? They got their water.
Because they haven't been paid. We need to find some treasure and fast.
Will do. Oh, and look what Pirate Wolf gave me, a telescope.
Oh, you know what this is.
Yes?
It be a telescope.
Yes, I know.
I can use this to look for land. Can't see anything at all.
Maybe you should use the other eye?
Oh, yes. I see.
What do you see?
Nothing at all.
Give that to me. I don't think you're doing it right. Oh, that's funny. I can't see anything either. Oh, look, there's something blocking it. Oh, what's this? It looks like a map. Oh, great.
This is a treasure map of Pong Island.
It says the treasure is buried next to some rocks.
Let me see.
Me.
Okay, now calm down. So we know where the treasure is. I say we set sail and find it.
Agreed.
Let's play.
We're on our way to Pong Island. Shouldn't be long now. Hold on. We're going round in a circle. Captain? Captain?
Oh.
Captain Nasty, what's wrong?
Oh, I'm feeling all floppily, wobbly and sick.
Whoa! I think you better go to bed.
Aye, not feeling too good.
Oh, no. We're in trouble now. Pirates Jim and John!
Pirate Jim, at your service.
I need your help. Hold on. Why are you wearing 2 eye patches?
Well, 1 eye patch is cool, so I thought 2 eye patches would be twice as cool.
But it means you can't see anything?
Oh, yes. Thought I could talk.
Right, OK. Captain Nasty is sick, and I need you and Pirate John to steer the ship.
Aye, man.
Right. I need to make the captain better. But how do I know what's wrong with him? Hold on. I remember to you. That's it. Pirates sometimes got a disease called scurvy, which made them feel sick, and it was cured by eating lots of fresh fruit and vegetables. Captain Nasty is sick with scurvy. Pirate Jim, we need some fruit, something like oranges.
Oranges, eh? What be they?
Well, they're a fruit and they're round and orange.
Oh, you mean a juggling ball?
What juggling balls?
These.
Yes, but they're not juggling balls, they're oranges. You need to tell your men to stop juggling with them and eat them. Right, I think we're back on course.
Let's play.
That's it. I've eaten a whole lot of oranges and I feel a whole lot better.
Good. Well, you rest up, Captain Nasty. Pirate Jim and Pirate John are steering and navigating. We'll find that treasure island very soon.
Very good. Carry on first, shipmate.
Good news, the captain is getting better.
Good. Well, according to this map, the treasure island should be around here somewhere and we can't see it.
Let me have a look. Oh, you're right. There's nowhere to be seen.
It should be here.
Well, it might be, but the trouble is, I can't see far enough with this telescope. Oh, what are we going to do? Hold on, I remember to you. That's it. To see if they were getting near land, one pirate would go to the top of the crow's nest and look out. It was the highest point on the ship, at the top of the mast. Pirates Jim and Pirates John, someone needs to go to the top of the crow's nest and look out for land.
Right. Off you go then.
What, me?
Yep. And don't fall down. You'll break the ship.
Oh, OK. Wish me luck.
Luck.
Right, I'm here. The crow's nest. So, what can we see? That's it. Pong Island. Jim, John, I can see land.
Did you hear that? Yes. What did she say? I think she said, bing bong, strike up the band.
Land ahoy!
Land ahoy? I don't think I know that one. Well, we could make it up. Land ahoy, tiddly-tum, scratch my head and tap my tum.
What are they doing?
Suck my thumb. Land ahoy, oh, tiddly-tum. Hey.
Let's play.
We found Pong Island.
Where?
It's over there. We need to set sail that away. I'm going to tell the captain. Captain, exciting news. We found Pong Island, where the treasure is.
The treasure. Rich. We're going to be rich. Oh, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Let's play.
We've arrived.
Let's go ashore.
Oh, what a horrid smell.
They don't call it Pong Island for nothing.
Right, so the map says the treasure is buried next to a rock that looks like a face. Who put that rock there?
Funny looking rock. It looks like a face.
The treasure! You shout the instructions and I'll do the pacing.
Right. Okay. Ready? 3 steps forward.
3 steps forward.
1 step left.
1 step left.
1 step right.
1 step right.
3 steps forward.
3 steps forward.
Oh, hello.
Give me that. Oh, look, you're holding the map upside down. Maybe I should do it instead. Right, here goes.
Where's she gone? I don't think we're gonna find it this way. I think we really...
Found it!
What?
Look!
A treasure chest!
Come on, help me pull it out.
Right. It's no good. It's stuck.
I know. I'll hold the handle. You hold me and we'll pull. Ready?
Ready. Well, so much for your clever plans.
Look, it's open!
What?
Wow, a treasure!
Yo-ho-ho, crew! We found the treasure!
We did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Pirates stored their drinking water in barrels. They sometimes got a disease called scurvy, which was cured by eating lots of fresh fruit and vegetables. And to see if they were getting near land, one pirate would climb up to the crow's nest and look out. Well, Captain Nasty, I think it's time we went home.
Thanks, Father Rebecca. Here, go on. Have yourself some treasure.
Oh, no, it's all right. You have it. You deserve it. But can I keep this map, though?
Of course you can.
Thanks, Captain Nasty.
Let's play.
Hey, Sid.
Oh, hey, Rebecca, how was it?
It was amazing. We found treasure.
Wow.
Aren't you supposed to be out playing football?
Yeah, no, I couldn't find another lace for my boot.
Ah, I think I have just the thing.
Wow, thanks, Rebecca. I can play now.
You certainly can. Playing pirates was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
I sing into my microphone like this when I'm playing pop stars. La 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 la. Playing clowns is fun. I get to pull funny faces. When I play fisherman, I catch fish like this.